Today, we're diving into something really interesting from Suzuki, their brand new electric concept bike called the e-VanVan. That's right, the legendary VanVan name has returned, this time as a fully electric motorcycle roughly equivalent to a 125cc class machine, and it just made its debut at the Japan Mobility Show 2025. Suzuki has always had its own way of building motorcycles with soul and character, and this new e-VanVan perfectly captures that spirit. While most electric bikes feel overly functional and a bit lifeless, Suzuki's concept takes a totally different approach. It's fun, stylish, and still practical. Visually, it clearly draws inspiration from the original VanVan, compact, chunky, and ready to tackle different types of terrain with those wide tires. But beneath that retro charm lies a modern electric drivetrain that's efficient, eco-friendly, and loaded with future potential. Even though it's still officially a concept, many enthusiasts are hoping Suzuki will bring this one into production. It's the perfect blend of vintage styling, simplicity, and modern technology, ideal for riders who want an easygoing electric bike with a touch of adventure. At the show, Suzuki didn't just stop there. Alongside the e-VanVan, they also unveiled other exciting prototypes like the EPO, an electric model already undergoing road testing and rumored to be close to production. Suzuki even showcased hydrogen-powered and bioethanol-fueled models, proving their serious commitment to green mobility and innovation. Of course, Suzuki's booth wouldn't be complete without their classic gasoline-powered icons. The DRZ 4SM GSX 8T and the mighty GSXR 1000R, all standing proudly as symbols of performance and tradition. If Suzuki really decides to mass-produce the e-VanVan, it could be one of the coolest electric motorcycles yet. Not just about efficiency, but about style, personality, and that unmistakable Suzuki charm. So, what do you think, riders? Could the Suzuki e-VanVan be your dream electric bike?